Hi, Mr. Ryan. Look what I got. That's my $10 off the side of the road compressor I got a couple years ago. It's 20 gallon and 1.2 horsepower. I paid $10 for it, and I spent $25 for this gizmo here. So $35 total plus my labor. Goes for like, it's over $200 now. But I just got one off Craigslist. I paid $100 for this. That's 5 horsepower, 33 gallons. So it's about a little over 50% bigger as far as its capacity, and it's 5 horsepower. And I've been trying it out. It works good. It runs on 240, and I don't know when the thing was made, but it's a Sears. And I actually measured the current with the clamp meter. It's drawn 4 amps, and I'm sorry, it's drawing 12 amps. 12 amps, 240 volts. It comes out to 3.9 horsepower. So it's about 4 horsepower right now. So I'm going to see if I can get it up to 5. Not really sure. I got to check and make sure the oil's okay in there, in the pump. But it's a pretty good deal either way. It works really well. Okay.